Good afternoon. In this video we are going to discuss about knuckle joint. So in this also same like as a quarter joint. So these are all the values we have to remember, and also drawing the knuckle joint, these values has to be applied over here. So in this one, so I'm going to do with the 20 mm diameter. So for 20 mm diameter I'm going to do. So for those things, the values and all I am converted as per the whatever the formula they given. It is easy to pick the values, so that after completing the, so after calculated all the things, after calculated all the values, I'm going to start the drawing. First initially I'm going to draw a line over here. So after creating a line, so with the use of offset command, I'm going to make the other lines. Why? Because of this is the axis line. So with the help of the axis line, other lines like pi d, so like this line, on these lines. So all the lines you can create with the help of this axis line with use of offset tool. So I'm going to select offset option. So this one, middle line, and what is that offset distance means from here to here, pi d. So pi d is the 20 mm line. So 20 mm means this side 10, the bottom 10. So I'm going to give the value as 10, enter. So above, and I am going to keep another one will be the below. So same 10 mm distance going to keep over here. The next one will be the, so 1.2d, so that is 24 mm. If you see the diagram is the another one, it is the square 1.2d, that means this shape will be the square in shape. So it is in the square in shape. See over here, front view from here to here, 20 mm only it is coming over here. So then comes to here, select a line, again offset command from here to 1.2d means 24 mm. So above 12 mm and again below 12 mm. Select from here, select top 12 mm each, so totally 24 mm it's coming. So after completing this, first initially I'm going to do the vertical line. So vertical line I'm going to do somewhere else in the middle of the page. So select a line, I'm going to draw a vertical line. So after drawing the vertical line, based on this vertical line, what happens? So from middle from here to this side, it is up to the rod end, the square, it is coming 4d. This end, the square surface, it is a 5d it is coming. So 4d and 5d is the value. So 4d 80, 5d is 100 is coming over there. So select a line and select the offset command. From here to left side 80 mm distance. So for 4d it is coming as a 80 mm, right? For the 80 mm, enter. Then select towards this 80 mm and select toward the right side where we have to give 100 mm distance. So I'm going to stop over here. So after that I'm going to select the option is called trim. So the trim I'm going to do it first. So up to this it's coming over here. Okay, so then here as well as in the top it is going to be removed. So from same like in the other side also. So the basic step these things I am going to do. Then after done this, so from the vertical surface nearby. So what is the pi d, the pin? There are 5 components are there in the knuckle joint. One is the fork, another one is the eye, the second one is the eye, third one is the pin, fourth one is the taper pin, and fifth one is the cotter. So now I am going to draw the pin. So from here to this one as well as this, and head of the pin. So go to here, select a offset again. So pin dimension is 20 mm. So from the axis to towards left side 10 mm, enter, and select right left side and select towards right side 10 mm. After drawing this 10 mm, then we will go to draw the pin head. So the pin head diameter 1.5d. So go over here, what is the 1.5d we found over there. So 1.5d, so it is the 30 mm. 1.5d is the 30 mm. So select here 30 mm is offset 15 mm, enter, select, right click. So this as well as again you can select right click towards in this direction. So after done these things, so here inside these lines are not required, so I am going to use the trim option. So this line as well as this line. So after selected that, so again I am going to use the trim option over here as well as here. So the mid lines I am going to delete. Otherwise, so one line if you are select, you are going to trim it. Okay. So after completing this, I am going to draw this line like from here to 0.70 mm line. So 0.70, so we are getting over here 0.70 is the 14 mm. So go over here, select axis, offset from, not the middle, select the offset and this line as a single. So from here select, first you change it as a single, then this particular line from here to 0.70 is the 14 mm. So from this one you have to move it into the 14 mm distance. 1 4, enter, towards this side left and right click, again select this line towards up left and right click. So once you are created this, so this is the line I am going to create it. So from here to 2D, 2D means 2 into 20 40. So 40 mm means from here to 20 mm distance, then right side is the 20 mm distance. So for that I am going to draw with the again option. So mid from here to 20 mm distance, left and right click, from middle to 20 mm distance, left and right click. So after done the left and right click, so which are the things we want to trim, so we will trim it, this line as well as this line, even here also this as well as this line I am going to trim. So same like here, this line or this line finally. So this lines we need not to trim over now, we trim it later. So after drawn other things. Okay, so then created that, then the head we have to make it. So that is the 1.5D. So go over here, select a line option. So from mid to 1.5D, so that means 30 mm, so 15 mm in length, and from the end to, so how much mm you have to make, the length, so from here to 0.4D. so the 0.4D means we go over here, check the what is the 0.4D. so 0.4D is the 8 mm. so select a line, so from here to 8 mm line we can make, so 8 mm line, and we can finish it up. So now use of trim option, this is the two lines, another two lines, even this line, the middle line I am going to delete. So the mid line has to be cleared over here. Even here this line we can keep up to those things, these are all the lines, it does not require as of now, so those lines I am going to trim it. Okay, so somewhat the bottom and other thing we have done. Now going to draw this particular circle over here. The circle from the middle to 1.2D it is placed over here. 1.2D, the value is the 1.2D is the 24 mm. So go over here, select a line from mid to exactly in the mid 24 mm line. I draw, select a line from here to 24 mm and select a arc by center point method. So from here to, what are all the diameter we have to do, so from here to radius, so radius means it is goes to here, so that is 1.2D, so 24 mm, so radius is 12 mm. Okay. Then another one, bigger one, it is the radius is 1.2D, so 24 mm. So 12 mm and 24 mm circle you have to draw. So 12 first I am going to do, so starting from here and then I am going to place. So again the same center I am going to select, the radius I am going to give 24 mm. So 24 mm I am going to start with this particular line, I am going to end with this line. Okay, so now going to give the trim option. So this is the thing, it does not require even here this one. Okay, so even here this is the line, it's not required, so I am going to trim it. So for the middle, so what is the thing, so this line, this is the line required, even here it's not required, and this line I drawn for the reference purpose, sorry, axis line, I am going to make this axis line, this also axis line. So thereafter we are not going to copy with the middle line, so that converted as a axis line. Okay, so after completed this, okay, even this line I am going to trim it up to here, I am going to trim. So after trimming this, one more thing is call it as that quarter we have to draw. So that is the fourth, the fifth, the quarter collar. So that collar, what is the length from here to 0.4D, 0.4D, and the same like 1.5D. So even this also 1.5D, so the collar also 1.5D. The head of the pin also 1.5D, collar also 1.5D. So select offset 0.4D is the 8 mm. So go to your offset, so change it as a single, so 8 mm, I'm going to give 8 mm. So this is the line I'm going to offset over here, left and right click. So that's it. And after this then I'm going to trim it. Go for the option is called trim. Even this is not required, even this one. Okay, so now as of now we have completed. Now what is the length of the pin? So the length of the pin is 3.7D. so the 3.7D, so what is the value of 3.7D is the 74 mm. So the total distance is 74 mm. So I'm going to create from here 74 mm. Select a line from here to going to make a 74 mm. So once again I'm going to check, this is the 74 mm. So on use of extend to next, so I'm going to extend and trim the particular thing over here. So after completing this thing, and comes to here and in the drawing, so see over here it is they given as a radius is 0.75D. so 0.75D, what is the value over here? 15. So go over, the option is called fillet. Option is called fillet, that 15 radius. So select fillet option from this line as well as this line and 15, enter. So it will comes over here. So once again we can redraw the arc. So due to the fillet, this one it is erased from here to particular point to end. Okay, so now going to select again fillet option. Where is the fillet option? So this is from here to here 15 mm. So this has to be created over here. So after completing this, go to the option is called curve. So from this in 3 second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point, and again from here to first point, second point. So again same like here, first point, second, third, fourth, and second, third point. So like this you can create this one line and goes to here. I am going to choose extend to next option. So it will be touched, it's okay. Select the trim. So only the particular thing is trimmed, even here trim. So the all the curve special line, it is connected with the end line, so it is trimmed. Go to the option is called fill. So select the option fill from here, fill it on top, it is filled. Okay, this is the symbol, it will be representing the shaft or rod. Okay, so this is the thing has to be done over here. So what is the remaining thing is there? So this is the 1.2D. So here also the 1.2d is the remaining. So go over here, select a line from here to, so make the distance as a 5 mm, enter. So 24 mm length, 24 mm length, and I'm going to make a line. So same like here, 5 mm and 24 mm length down. So trim the option, trim here as well as here, and select the fillet, this one, fillet radius you can give 5, here also fillet radius you can give 5, and go to the other side. So from this end 5 mm, 5 mm and 24 mm distance. Now from here to 5 mm, 24 mm distance, a straight line. So select select a trim, then trim it over here, and go for the again fillet option. So from this as well as here, radius as 5 mm. So this radius as a 5 mm. So then it has to be completed over here. Now we can come into the next thing is the to draw the taper pin. So while drawing the taper pin, these are all the concepts you have to remember. The taper length, so here in the drawing they given something, so pi into 2.5d into 1.8 long, and the taper is 1:50, so that every 50 mm length 1 mm should be a taper, so that it goes over here 1:50. So here it is coming as a 1.8 long, so 1.8 into d, so we are getting as a 36, so 36 mm length, so 36 divided by 50 we are getting as a 0.72. 0.72 we are going to multiply with the 5 mm the diameter, so diameter of the taper pin. Okay, if we are multiplying that, we are getting the value as 3.6. so those 3.6 mm we are going to make it in this end. So this is the 5 mm. So 0.25d is the value we are getting as a 5, and 1.8 long we are getting as a 36 mm. Okay, 36. Okay, so that 36 divided by 50 we are getting as 0.72. So 5 into 0.72 is equal to 3.6. So we are getting as the other end diameter. So go over here, select 5 mm circle by center point. This particular area you can zoom it. So from middle 5 mm, then select a circle. So from here to 5 mm means so here this will be the 3.6. Enter. So after created a 3.6, so from here to going to make a join over this one directly. So same like here also I'm going to join directly over in this one. So after joining this, I'm going to use the trim option. These are all the things I'm going to trim it. So once again I'm going to trim for this particular lines. So because of this is comes inside the behind the middle of the pin, so that it will be the invisible. So those line I'm going to convert as a invisible line. So even in the quarter also it comes behind the quarter, so middle of the quarter, so we can convert this entire line as a dotted line. So here also it is the dotted line, and give fit. So after giving the fit, then goes to over here. So wherever, so here and as well as here the line, and so here the one more line. So for draw these things, you can select the special line option. So from here I am going to draw one more special line, and going to use of the trim option. So those lines going to trimmed. Select the fill option. So here I am going to fill. So even here the fill and bottom. The one more thing, they are given as a one more line over here, so it comes same extension of this line, that is a 1.2D. So go over here, select a line, so from this particular edge to the same thing. Okay, now we can give the fill over here. Okay, so after completing this, we can go and select the use of small dimension and extend to next. So the dimension I try to give over here. Okay, so all the dimensions I try to give over here, as well as so like all those things. So after giving the dimensions, we can save this one as a knuckle joint and close it. Okay, so this is the way to draw the knuckle joint.